Molly, malaria is the #1 killer of children, particularly children under 5 and pregnant women. The American public thinks of this as a disease that was eliminated in the 1950s, when in fact it is the largest killer of children in Africa. It's a preventable disease, and with long-lasting insecticide-treated bed nets, we can reduce transmission by almost up to 70%.
In Angola, I really saw the devastating effect of malaria and why these insecticide-treated bed nets are so vital. Going into an emergency room and seeing children, because of the floods that had occurred earlier, the malaria rate had increased tremendously. And going in there and seeing these children in emergency rooms, just lying there helpless because they're unable to combat this disease on their own, I felt very passionate about doing what I could to help.
Bed nets are known to be one of the most effective preventive vehicles.
A long-lasting insecticide-treated net prevents not only the mosquito from biting, but also kills the mosquito on contact. So it actually lowers the transmission overall of an entire village.
Here in Mali, I've truly met some amazing women. They've traveled long distances just to give them the chance to live healthy lives. So I felt inspired by the women that I met here.
For me, it was a great opportunity to not only help kids and save lives here in Africa, but to make people in North America aware of what's going on another continent, and that they can really help.
Nothing But Nets is a global grassroots campaign to prevent one of the largest killers of children in Africa, malaria.
It's such a simple solution to prevent malaria. It's a $10 donation. It provides a long-lasting insecticide-treated bed net and essentially giving life to a child over here in Africa.
Well, Americans should care about this campaign because it's really about saving lives.
If you save one life, it's as if you saved all of mankind, and I think that's enough.
Malaria kills, and you can help.
Malaria kills, it's easy to help. Send a net.
Send a net and save a life.
To save lives, log on to www.nothingbutnets.net.
Send a net, save a life.